How to fix Wi-Fi not showing on Windows 11. Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I am going to show you how you can do it easily. So the first method is you have to open up your settings. Go to your settings of Windows 11. So once you are here, you have to click on this network and internet. And now you have to go for this advanced network settings. And in the network adapters, you have to simply disable this and enable it again, and I hope this will fix your issue. But if you can't, you have to troubleshoot the problem by just typing in troubleshoot settings, and you have to go for this other troubleshooters and go for the internet connection and simply click on this run button. Troubleshoot my connection to the internet. Let's go for the first one, but this will not give us any kind of solid information that we can fix our Wi-Fi. So as you can see, troubleshooting couldn't identify the problem. So yeah, that's the second method, but the first method, as I have told you, is the best one to show the Wi-Fi sign in this area. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video will help you out. This is how to fix Wi-Fi not showing on Windows 11.